Muna farin cikin faɗa muku cewar yanzu mai girma mataimakin shugaban ƙasar na to the town of Goda for this important occasion.
It's on and proud to serve a sovereign motherland, and justice reign, in peaceful battle honor and peace.
Thank you very much. Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to Kashim Shettima, Farmer Mohammed Umar Bago, the Governor of Niger State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Niger State, Comrade Yakubu Garba, Ministers and Permanent Secretaries, Local Government Council Chairman, our father, His Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Niger State, and particularly to Goda, the IDP camp. Excellency Farmer Mohammed Umar Bago, the one and only former governor in Nigeria, architect of New Niger.
maza daga cikinsu akwai 5,864, mata daga cikinsu akwai 23,450, yara kanana akwai 17,540 waɗanda a aika-aika na banditiri ya shafa da kuma ambaliyar ruwa. Da girma mataimakin shugaban ƙasa wannan gari guda sannan muna da ƙananan yara 1,610 waɗanda sun kai wanda wannan ambaliyar ruwa shafa a tsakanin kuta kuma wannan
No, getting our back. If you're climbing our back, it would be.
By the Vice President and His Excellency the Governor of Niger State. We also have the DG NEMA. We'll be taking just the first stanza of the national anthem.
kamar mana gurbin shi da wani babban alkhairi abubuwan da ke faruwa a Shiroro da dukkan sauran yankuna na Niger State ya rabi Allah muna roƙonka Allah ka ba mu duk wani zirga-zirga da za su yi da kai da kuma Allah ka sa su a cikin aminci albarkacin Fatiha da Ayatul Kursi
da ya ba kowace jiha a ƙasar nan insha Allah gwamnatin tarayya da ta jiha a kananan hukumomi
hannu lafiya da alkhairi gama hannu lafiya da alkhairi gama hannu lafiya salamu alkhairi gama hannu lafiya Allah shi kara maka lafiya to ya madafa sarkin mu mai ado da azurfa sarkin mu mai ado da surfan yaki yara kin yi Allah
gama hannu lafiya waliyan gama lafiya na annabi
gama hannu lafiya to ya madafa garan sarki alkhairi
of the federal government towards supporting the government and people of Niger State towards addressing the core challenges caused by the devastations of the flood and the insecurity that has bedevilled this part of the country. We have come to reaffirm his commitment, his irrevocable commitment towards ameliorating the sufferings of our people. This is a symbolic gesture, but we have come on an assessment tour, and I want to assure the government and people of Niger State that the President is poised to assist all states of the Federation towards addressing those challenges. 3 billion naira has been released to each state of the Federation towards addressing the issues of floodings across the length and breadth of this nation. But this is just a tip of the iceberg as far as some states like Borno, like Niger, Sokoto, Bayelsa, and Jigawa are concerned. We'll do the assessment. We'll be very scientific in our approach, and all states that deserve to be supported will be fully supported, because governance is about the people. The President as the people of this country at heart. He sleeps with Nigeria on his mind. He wakes up with Nigeria on his mind. And we'll go around the country and offer empathy and support. We are here with 2 ministers from Niger State, Information Minister Mohamed Idris Malagi, and the Minister of State for Agriculture, Senator Aliyu Sabi Abdullahi. We are here with the DG of NEMA. We are here with the Deputy Chief of Staff to Mr. President, a very high-powered team. And of course, the Chairman of the Nigeria Governors Forum and the Governor of Kwara State, Malam Abdurrahman Abdurazak. We are here. We will support our people. It's not about politics. It's about governance. It's about ameliorating the pitiable conditions of our people.
Your Excellency, just a few days ago, there was a deadly tanker explosion here in Niger State where over 60 persons were killed. What's the commitment of the federal government to providing taking care of the infrastructure in the state, because it was actually a federal road where that incident occurred?
If we are going to be fair to the President, in the contemporary history of this country, name any president that has intervened decisively in the area of infrastructure greater than him. The East-West Road, the Badagry to Sokoto Road. Even the road where this incident happened is currently under consideration. The needs are humongous, and the federal government will do its utmost best to address the core challenges of infrastructural deficit across the length and breadth of this country. This is a big nation. Nearly 1 million square kilometers, 922,000. A lot needs to be done, and a lot is being done.
Thank you so much.